I got bands in the coop.
Good morning,
Busting
bitch.
out the roof. I got
Good
bands in
morning.
the coop. Busting out the roof. I got bands in the coop.
What's up, children? What's good? Stay in school. Listen to your mom, or you won't be getting no Christmas gift.
People is coming on my Instagram talking about like, oh my God, look at all the little pimples on your forehead. Look at all the pimples on your forehead. You too pretty, you too fly, you getting too much bread. Which I don't know why y'all say that. Stop snitching to the IRS. But anyways, you too pretty to have pimples on your forehead. So I'm too pretty to be a normal person. I'm too pretty to be normal. Because having pimples is normal, right? But that blue waffle pussy that you have, that's not normal.
Bitch, I did a vision board, and I'm not gonna rest until I get all that shit that I put in it by the end of 2019. And no stank breath, ashy foot, pinky black toenail bitch or nigga is gonna get in my motherfucking way. You heard? With the help of God, bitch, we going to motherfucking make it. You heard? You heard? Ow.
Talk about it, bitch.
You always got a little.
It gotta come from your heart.
Do I have to do that with the hand as well?
I'm done with you.
What could be my noise? I'm done with you.
I'm done with you.
Oh, that's nice. I'm done with you.
None of you bitches got these exclusive Swisher Sweets Uggs. What's poppin'? Ow! And another thing before I motherfucking dismiss myself and go to this motherfucking bar. Before y'all motherfuckers be like, oh, if you can handle fame, get out then. I'm so sick of you, get out. If you can't handle fame, if this ain't your life, then you can fucking leave. Well, bitch, you can't handle being in your motherfucking job for motherfucking 8 hours straight standing up, right? But you still do it, right, bitch? Okay. Go to sleep and fucking eat your food while it's hot, bitch. Good night.
So put it in reverse. No, it's all right. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Roll back. It's fine. It's just a cone. Okay.
Why can't I see the flag?
Because you just hit one, I think. Right, stop. Right, stop now. Stop. People on a break.
I used to hate, well, I still hate, like when my mom used to beat my ass and then punish me right after, so you just gonna whip my ass and I can watch TV after, bro? Like,
Well, you know my husband?
Yes. Offset. Yes.
He bought me a Porsche truck, which no, not a Porsche truck, my bad. Oh, you see, I'm still drunk probably. I have a Lambo, I have a Lamborghini truck,
Yeah.
I have a Bentley truck, I have a Maybach, and I have a Suburban, so
Okay, 5 cars. Now, here's my biggest question. You can't drive.
No.
So what's the point of having the cars?
To take pictures with it.
That's it. And then you're gonna turn in through here. Yes. And now right.
You made me nervous.
Look at the flags.
She like Baby Shark. Oh my goodness, I think every baby like that damn song. Baby Shark.
I'm gonna just tell y'all one more thing before I go to bed, right? I don't care if y'all think I can't spell or not. You wanna know why? Because when I write a check, all I gotta know is how to spell my name. And when I be writing these goddamn lyrics, I understand what I be trying to say. That's why when I spit some fire. You hear me? So you know what you need to do right now? Smoke some dick.
But hold on. Isn't it true that you don't, as I recall, you don't know how to drive?
No, and?
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm fucking him.
I'm the hottest in the street. You probably hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill.
Like, bro, I remember when I was a regular schmegular girl and I used to see the celebrities go into heavy drugs, heavy depressions, committing suicide, wanting to die. And I used to think to myself, like, it's like, why do you want to die? Like, I don't get it. You got money, you got fame. Bitch, I'm broke. I want to die. My Uggs is leaning and I'm fucking far behind rent. Fuck you want to die for?
Trip, trip. Can't do tripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they tripping. Give me a little something to remember. CARDI, trying to make love in the Sprinter.
In the Range Rover.
Like a camera. Little brown white Montana. On these hoes.
My new Buben, my white Buben, you know what I'm saying? They should have never gave a broke bitch some goddamn shmoney. The gag is, though, that this outfit from Fashion Nova, bitch.
All the jewels, pristine.
Bitches, I used to make bitches want to pull their pussy hair out because I used to be saucy. But bitches always used to say, like, you crooked teeth, bitch. Or you only gonna be a dirty stripper. You only gonna live in that bum ass building that you live with them dusty ass braids. I'd rather be doing this, and that than be a stripper like you.
What's your name?
Spencer.
My name is CARDI.
What's your name?
CARDI.
Nice. Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm very pleased to meet you.
Yay!
I'm looking for a significant other. Are you available?
Sure.
I want to tell the people out there that thank you for supporting me. And if you don't, suck my dick. And I know you think because I'm a woman, I don't have a dick. But I have a pink dildo in my dresser. Look at a bitch now. I know you bitches is sick. You know what I'm saying? I know you bitches need that therapy. I know you bitches got diarrhea every single motherfucking day. Cause I know you seen a bitch succeed at this motherfucking time. You know what I'm motherfucking. I know for a fact that y'all think I'm retarded. And the crazy shit is that I am. I really am.
I don't need more press. Kill them all, put them hoes to rest. Walk in bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon' check.
Bitch, I don't remind you like nobody, bitch. I remind you of me, Cardi B. And I don't look like nobody but my motherfucking mother. You hear me? And let me tell you something else. I don't want to be like no other bitch. Let me tell you something. Ain't no woman that I met or I seen that I'd rather be. You know what I'm saying?